Yeah. This is it's supposed to be a bird. It shoots out swords at you. It's pretty simple. I think I died numerous times. Yeah, I died a couple of times fighting this thing. You can actually bypass the other parts, but you'll end up destroying the other parts anyway as you fight the thing. It's nearly crippled now. You just gotta watch out for the power balls. Damn it, how long is this thing gonna take? Well, yeah, it does launch sword things at you that just sometimes randomly come out of nowhere. Hurry up! Fuck. I wanna finish this already. I think I died a lot of times. I'm not gonna bother counting anymore. There we go, and I died.